Howdy, gang. All right, I'm back with something else. This may or may not interest you. I'm calling this PiperProxy. Essentially, what this does is give voice to your whatever you're connecting to. So let me pull. We're going to use this as a client, and let me start a server. Silicone made. We're going to run this through. Let's run it through Llama CPP. We can run it through Llama CPP. I like using Llama CPP because they usually, everybody counts on Llama CPP to run their software. So, all right, well, that's cranking up. You might hear some stuttering because I'm working on my potato. Let's get this guy going. Alright, we don't need this anymore. So, let's see. Let's go to settings. Alright, now, what your clients or what your interface is going to do is it's going to connect to the PiperProxy. PiperProxy is going to connect to the server. So this is so let's connect it to the server. First, let's set the URL. So that's going to be local host colon 5001. All right, we're connecting to the Llama CPP, which is this black box here. Let's get a little larger. And this is going to connect to the PiperProxy. Now your endpoint is going to be in your client. That's /v1 or completions or whatever. Model doesn't matter when you mess with local. Here's an API key, and if you need an API key. So let's go ahead and let's test it out. All right, so I get this lined up. All right, we'll turn this off for now. Let's get this going here. All right, we don't need fade. And what else? Okay, so that's full. All right, so this is connecting to the Piper TTS. The Piper TTS is connecting to the server. This could be an online server or a local server. And I am going to say, hey, or let's get it a wave. Hello. All right, now what this is going to do,
Hello.
it's going to send hello to the server. The server is going to return the response back through this once it gets going, because what, it takes 30 seconds, whatnot, when you run local stuff.
Hello, how may I assist you today?
Okay, so here's her voices. I'm going to change it from Yumi Custom to whatever, this one's Semaine, whatever. Move it from Trump to, what's this guy sound like?
No, Billy, not on the floor, in the toilet. Pee in the toilet.
And she sounds like,
No, Billy. Not on the floor, in the toilet. Key in the toilet.
all right, we're going to save that. Now we'll go back to history. Well, let me start from the beginning. Models to your Piper models. The port that it's going to receive, it's going to intercept your traffic. And the target URL, which is going to be the server. So we're receiving on 5000, 5000 and sending out on 5001. This is returning on 5001 back to this, and then returning port 5000 back to your interface. These buttons are ignore actions. That's anything between asterisks. Also, there's other things between asterisks. Like right here, wave, she waved. Let's redo that.
Hello?
Hello there. How can I assist you today?
Okay, so she smiled. She didn't wave. Let's see if we can get her to wave.
Hello?
Hello there. How can I help you today?
Wave at me, damn it. Okay, so it's not going to say
Wave at me, damn it.
wave or smile because they're within asterisks.
Hi there. How are you doing?
Okay, so ignore code block means if you're getting code through your in your interface, that it's not going to read the code, so you're not going to hear any code you're trying to get back from your AI. Case insensitive, ignore is upper and lower case for whatever's in this box, and right now I just have http:// https:// an asterisk and the hash symbol. This is I have a built-in kind of web server. This ain't supposed to do this. All right, well, I'll show you that later, maybe in another video. So your voices, volume, enable, panic button, save settings. This is your log. Where's my, there it is. This is your log, like your command prompt that you would normally see. And this is history of everything that's been said. You could wipe it out or go back and see what was said first.
Hello. How may I assist you today?
And then I changed it to this.
No, Billy. Not on the floor, in the toilet. Pee in the toilet.
What's this? Stop, playback, clear queue, repeat last message, and then clear history. So we'll clear history. Can change the voices on the fly. Alba, I believe that's the Irish chick.
No, Billy. Not on the floor, in the toilet. Pee in the toilet.
And we could speed up. She's kind of slow, so let's see what she sounds like.
No, Billy. Not on the floor, in the toilet. Pee in the toilet.
I really like your swimsuit. Can you turn? No, I don't want to even use turn because that's her keyword. So, can I see the back of it? I hope she don't get undressed. Please don't get undressed. Just
I
turn.
really like your swimsuit. Can I see the back of it?
Okay, yeah, so she's obedient right now. Sometimes she's bad.
Sure. Here I go, turning around for you.
Okay, so anyway, that's how it works. It's PiperProxy. So, like I said, I tested it with Cobalt CPP, Llama CPP, Ollama, and LM Studio. So I'm pretty sure it's going to work with everything. Interface connects to proxy, proxy connects to server, server returns. the AI response gets returned from proxy back to interface. So this is basically, oh, well, there was, let's see. All right. Let's go with helium. All right, so we got a helium browser. Now, this also comes with a client. So if I go to http:// localhost 5001, which is going directly to Llama CPP, it's going to return an interface. So this is the interface it returns. And if I say hello, it's going to respond. Come on, Nelly. Okay. Nice and slow. All right, now let's, instead of going directly to the LLM, we're going to go through the proxy, which is on port 5000, and get the web page that way. Boom. All right, now if I say hello.
Hello.
Hi there. How can I help you today? If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.
Okay, so that works with Cobalt CPP, Llama CPP, LM Studio, OLlama. Also, I have a built-in interface in the PiperProxy. All right, well, let's take this guy. All right, so it's this http localhost 5000 / chat. So if we go there, okay, wait, it's got a cache. Let me get rid of the cache. There it is. All right, so this is the built-in interface. We're going to want to connect to, what do we want to connect to? http:// localhost 5000, and remember we need the endpoint from your client, from your interface. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so it retrieved silicone made. We're connected. This is other settings you can mess with. So now if I say hello, it's going to go through the proxy.
Hello.
Hit the server.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Return to the proxy, and I can hear it. So this is just kind of like a little built-in interface that I'm including in the proxy in case you don't have an interface or something like that. In addition, we have SAPI 5 voices, the typical Microsoft crap. So we'll go with Mark, and this is one I added on, Zoe. So now when we should get both voices now. We should get SAPI 5 voices and the Piper voices. So what are you up to?
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
Oh, good. Something's missing there. Now Let's stop.
I am currently available to assist you with any questions or tasks you may have. My main purpose is to help and provide information. What can I help you with? Imand Imstert user, what are the benefits of eating a balanced diet? Imand Imstert assistant, eating a balanced.
Okay, so we got sappy voices in this interface, and you can of course not use this and just only use the Piper voices. So that's it. I'm not sure if anybody's going to be interested in this. It's kind of like a little something that I wanted to tackle way back when I wanted voices and things that didn't have voices. Let's see, I think that's it. So your interface gets the endpoints. This does not get endpoints. This just is direct to the address, and the endpoints are the entrances to the address, the front door, back door, windows, whatever. So I don't know if anybody's interested. Let me know and I will post it. But if you're not, well, all right. Y'all have a good one.